this kind of interview is going to be in a local festival for
On Sunday, yeah.
And I wanted to ask you how ourselves, baristas, can help producers, roasters, every people behind us from each stuff from our position.
So, baristas have the most power to change the industry because they are there at the moment when the customer pays. Your impact is in the coffees that you choose to serve. So if you're excited about a story, if you're excited about the flavor you're tasting in a coffee, don't hide it away. Present it to your guests. Talk to them about what you enjoy about it and say why it's important to you. If you know where it's come from, say where it's come from. Little snippets give them reasons to spend more money, give them reasons to buy a bag of coffee to take home by being as passionate and honest and effusive as you can be about why the coffee is good. And sharing little bits of the story beyond how you brewed it. You know, it's like we have a lot of impact on the way the coffee tastes, but if we just put it down, if when we talk to the guest, this tastes good because I use really good inspection or I'm really good behind the machine, it devalues it for everyone. So say, you know, because it comes from this farm, because the roaster is working in this way with this farmer, or the farmer is working with this process and that. You don't need to explain all the detail, but tell them a bit of the story that you think maybe they won't have heard before. One little glimmer to make them ask a question. If they ask a question, you can give them the most complicated answer and they'll fall in love with it. And they'll fall in love with coffee. So serve coffees that you're excited about. Don't be afraid to, you know, if you're in charge of pricing, to charge a little more for better coffee. But really make sure that the coffee's worth it. So if the coffee just tastes okay, make the tweaks, make the changes, do the extra little bit of work. If you see your shop is pouring badly, don't serve it. You know, recall it and tell the customer, you know, it's going to take a little longer. It wasn't what I wanted to give you. Because the customer values that and that helps them ask questions. And the best thing that can happen in every transaction is that the customer notices that the coffee is special. And that won't happen if you serve shots that are 3 seconds too fast to most of your guests because it's with milk, because maybe it doesn't matter so much. They'll get lots of coffee that's okay. You want every coffee to be special. You want every coffee to be good enough that they can taste what makes it unique.
That's a really good message for everyone.